It's time to pick your pumpkin, and pumpkins are far more than just jack-o'-lanterns that you can carve. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. Many people think pumpkins are just for jack-o'-lanterns, carving them during the fall festival season of the year. Well, that may be true, and there are varieties that are strictly grown for that key purpose. But there are also dozens of other varieties of pumpkins in which you can utilize for other aspects. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkins are not good for cooking as they are very stringy. Now, the seeds are edible and can be roasted. You can also take a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin and dehydrate it down and make pumpkin flour out of it, or pumpkin seed flour. There are other more desirable varieties such as Jardel, a grayish blue skin pumpkin with thick walls, large seeds, and makes excellent pies and other pumpkin dishes. So whenever it comes to picking a pumpkin, whether from your supermarket, your organic farm, or you've grown yourself, look at what other options you can do with it. Yes, carving them with kids or friends is a very enjoyable thing to do. But you can also utilize parts of that pumpkin that you may not have thought otherwise. Some recipes call for that gelatinous slime, or the guts you can actually make into candy. And as I spoke about, the seeds can be roasted. You want to clean these off and roast them, salt them as desired, and enjoy them, as it is a delicacy and only comes around once a year. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.